Alright guys, check it out right here. It's the HYG Toys H33. And it says right on here, on the box, Professional RC Design. Yeah, okay, well, let's see about that, right? Okay, so this is one of those little mini drones you get. And actually, I really like these because they actually, 99% of these things actually fly really decently. Okay, which is, you know, what I always say is the most important thing, right? This is coming off, actually on the box you'll see as some kind of light show type of deal. But let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright, so inside the box you actually get the drone itself, the controller, an extra battery, the charger, 4 spare props, and the manual. So let's start it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. So, I'm going to think that, okay, so up and down here, that looks like flips, and that looks like speeds here. Right there. I bet you in the third rate that thing flies nice. And on this side is the flips, and then on this other button here, the top part of the rolling rocker there is going to be the light change. See it? Yeah, actually that's pretty cool. Those lights are pretty nice actually. And then on this one it's just to take off and land. Yeah, that's great. So let's go fly it. Alright, here we go with the H33. Okay, I did the gyro. One of them props didn't even start. There, now it's not in the headless mode anymore, okay? So, yeah, it seems to fly okay when you get it out of this headless mode. Oh, headless mode is so confusing now. I used to know how to do it when I first started flying these things, but once you... Once you get used to flying the right way, the headless mode is extremely confusing. Okay, so now that I got it all trimmed out, it seems to be flying okay. Okay, so now it's all right. He's got to work out all the bugs. Maybe I should have did all that off of camera, right? But I didn't, so now you know what you have to deal with it if you get one. So, yeah, it flies around fine, you know. So let's take a look at this, what was it, these flips or whatever. Yeah, it does great flips, man. Great stuff. And now, what was this thing I pressed here where it started coming back at me like a return to home deal? Huh. Flying great. I think the battery might be getting low. You know, this is one of these things you can't, I can't anyway, go too far away with, because then you won't be able to see it on the video, you know. Very small. It's got a what, 300 milliamp hour battery. Okay, so the flips are done with. Up. Whoa. So it's acting goofy because why? Because the battery's dead. Wow, that was kind of a great catch. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. You know, it's okay. It just took me a couple minutes to get the trim is kind of weird, okay? The way the trim works, because, you know, they don't want to spend that money making all those buttons anymore. So much easier with the buttons. But this one, the trim is, you know, you press this down, this button, and then you go whichever way, you know, whichever way you need to go with the trim. But you have to make sure you release the trim thing back whenever you're done. Okay, so that's how that's how that works. So there you go. That didn't work out too good. All right, guys, that's the end of the H33. I'll just put it in one of them piles.